So this video is about the prompts. You can create your own prompts. Um, yeah, it's up to you. I think if you are in a, for example, if you really know about a niche, like a guitars, then you know exactly the names, the Gibsons, the Fenders, and the Blades, and all this. You know exactly, and then you can create a prompt, and you can do this together with ChatGPT, um, Claude. It's up to you, but I would do that. Um, then you're gonna put that prompt in here. This is just the description, and this, of course, the prompt name. You, if as soon you put this in, and I'm gonna show you. So if I say prompt one, gonna copy it if you don't mind, prompt one like this. Create prompt, and I not talk about available placeholders, right? It's just this. You're gonna see a prompt one. If you go to content editor, you can have a look, and then you can, if you say prompt one, and here it is. So you can select, and then you have prompt one. That's very simple if you think about it. But yeah, I can understand, you sometimes you want to create your own prompt. Um, these placeholders um, is because the prompts I created, they are connected. You see with the business website where relevant keywords is, but in I will come with a very with a video in where I show you how you can create a prompt for yourself based on the available placeholders. I'm going to put this out because I'm not using it, and this is the first my prompts. This is for content, only for content. Then we have custom prompts. So now custom prompts is something like, let's say you use the default prompt, which is in the system, or one of the prompts, but you want to add something, like you can say, hey, listen, I want to have, for example, a prompt here. Write this section naturally, but never place a marker in the first sentence. Insert exactly one, and then you see insert link here. Marker somewhere in a paragraph where a link fits logically. Why is this? Well, here you see, for example, a shortcode, right? Well, it's not a shortcode, but it is a shortcode if you use GSA. And you have also other shortcodes. So you can say create, if I do like this, I just copy it, create custom prompt. I say this, insert link here. Here's the link, and let me uh, create a prompt first. I think I have to do this first, create prompt. I have to put the name. Okay, test, call it test. The rest is optional. So let's go for this particular shortcode, which is, it's a link tag, right? But if you use this in GSA, or if you're a GSA user, you recognize this immediately. So you put your link tag in here. Why in here? Because AI cannot handle this kind of things with URLs in it. You're gonna have big problems, because when I wanted in introduction H3, which is not still, which still have to come, FAQ. If I want this prompt text in the introduction and FAQ, you need to do this separately. So every URL you want, you need to put it in here. And insert link is placeholder. So I'm gonna update this because we're gonna use this also in an example test case. So I do pros, cons, FAQ, introduction. Or well, better, we do conclusion. And there we are. And here you can see. So if I go now to to bulk, no, to bulk article generator, you're gonna see, here's the prompt, so you can choose your prompt or whatever, and later you can see here the test, and then you see immediately where it goes. So if you think, oh, I don't want this, you go back, and then you can change it. So that's the custom prompts. The image prompts is, you see a lot of uh, Dutch things, but in this case you also see English isometric illustration. You can create your own prompt. No, you cannot. Um, this is the available prompts, and what will come is that you can create your own prompts also. So for now, it's the prompts I create, and for now you see Dutch words, but everything will be in English. Uh, that's what we want, of course. So these are the prompts. It will be more powerful, uh, but to make your own prompt, to make your own custom prompt is pretty powerful already. Okay, that's for now for the prompts.